Well, sometimes I miss this thing.
Coming off the starting line in the very same position as he stepped in, to tell you the truth. Paying equipment has 2 Ohio locations. We serve you in Nova, Ohio, and Coldwater, Ohio, for the north here. Check out their YouTube channel. Watch what the other guys were, maybe, but still on the Fuller's right-hand side. Running on alcohol by Other Deer, Kim Paradak from West Salem. Trailer sent me to re-rip the van, still the trailer you need with the level of quality you deserve. Experience the excellence of Mac. More information has really been successful over the years in that division. We'll see what he does with the big boys here today. Well, I'd say it did pretty well, don't you? What did I tell you? The first pull was 330. Guess what? That's a full pull right there. How about that? For Mike Palmer. I can tell you about some of the bad news but it's not automatic that you come back. Well, first of all, we don't have a pull-up because we've only got one pull. And then the guys will decide, hey, we're going to split the money and we'll come back. What's the deal on that? We'll get to that a little bit later. All right, Marty, quickly, one bad decision. That's a case 1070. I call that, since international case went together. We got it. Oh, that's what we mean by space. See what he does tonight. Find the winner this year. Nick McGraw. Going to be a little bit shy of that clear flag, brought to you by Rick All Dudley. Right